Welcome to Volleyball Referee, the advanced volleyball match tracking system. Get ready to see why you can say goodbye to your pencil and paper forever. In this demo, I'll give a very brief overview of the app. The first thing that I'll do is tap New Match. This will take me to the Match Setup wizard. Here I can configure the team names, colors, and the rosters for the two teams. For this match, I'm going to pit two lifelong adversaries against each other. It'll be Team Fruits versus Team Vegetables. Now, I'll tap on the team roster to set the players. Rosters support player numbers and player names. Next, I'll set up Team Vegetables roster. Finally, in the Match Setup wizard, we can set the match options. This match will be a best of 3 sets to 25 points, capped at 27, win by 2, and the final set will be a race to 15, capped at 17, win by 2. My teams have been configured, so I'll tap the next arrow to move to Match Control. Match Control is the central location to access all of the data surrounding a match. For now, I'll ignore these options and get right into scorekeeping. By tapping the first Set button, I'm taken to the Set Setup wizard. This wizard allows you to set the team on the left side of the court, which team has first serve, and also the lineup of the players on the court. I'll set up the rotation for Team Fruit. On the left, we see the team roster, and on the right, we have the positions on the court. The positions with their colors inverted represent the two liberos. I'll drag my players into position and tap Apply. Now, I'll set the rotation for the Mean Green Vegetables team. Once that's complete, I tap the next arrow and we're taken to the court view. Here we have the teams, the current score, the Add Point Plus buttons, the current rotation of the two teams, and the two team options button that show an extra menu for each team. Now I can start tracking the match. By tapping the plus buttons, points will be awarded and the players will rotate positions as needed. If it's time for the libero to sub, I just tap the proper libero and he will join the court. To remove the libero, tap the player who is off the court and they will switch positions. If it's time for a position sub, tap the player who is leaving the court. The positions dialog will open. I'll choose a regular substitution and be taken to the substitution screen. On the left are the players eligible to sub onto the court. I tap the player to join the court and then tap Apply. We see that the substitution has occurred. The player who left the court is tracked in the upper right corner. I will accelerate to the end of the set and return to Match Control. The first set is marked as complete, and we can start tracking the rest of the match as needed. On Match Control, tapping the Log button brings up the Game Log screen. Here, all the action that occurred during the match can be browsed. I will tap the Score Sheet button to view an FIVB-like score sheet that can be shared via email or your favorite social network. Going back to the main menu, Volleyball Referee supports team templates. A template is a collection of name, colors, and roster for a team. This template can save the monotony of having to configure all the players on a roster for every match. I hope you enjoyed our brief tour of Volleyball Referee, the most advanced volleyball match tracking software available today. Volleyball Referee is now available in the App Store or by visiting our website at labs.orangespecs.com.